Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about Vakrangee Ltd. We are going to discuss the in-depth technical analysis of this company. I see a very strong potential entry and the potential breakout which is going to be happening in this company. So I want you to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right at the best bargaining price to gain more in profits from this company within a very short span of time. I would request you to please watch the technical analysis part on your computer rather than watching in mobile, so that you could able to have a clear vision and clear understanding on the technical analysis, which where I'm talking about support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns, trend lines, buying and selling psychology, so that you could able to gain more in knowledge and you could able to find yourself the best breakout stocks and gain more in profits from those companies by yourself. When it comes into the technical analysis of Vakrangee Ltd, you could able to see it clearly that this stock was continuously in a downtrend from September 2022 until March 2023. You could able to see it clearly that the lower lows which are forming on this stock continuously with a heavy downtrend. Once after this downtrend is completed over here, this stock has moved from downtrend to the sideways parallel channel, which where you could able to see that both the buyers and the sellers are trying to be accumulating exactly within a parallel channel. That is where we see a very strong consolidation which is happening in between this strong parallel channel from a longer period of time. Once after the heavy consolidation is done, this stock has given a tremendous huge breakout out from the parallel channel with a heavy volume which is more than 120 million volume in one day. This volume is one of the highest volume in this company, and this volume has never been happened for this company. Once after a heavy volume and a heavy breakout, I am sure that this stock is going to be consolidate again a little bit more towards into the strong support line where we see the parallel channel, and then from here this stock will give a huge breakout and move towards into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 30 rupees. So I want you to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best breakout on the bargaining price. This stock is going to be consolidated from here again to this parallel channel, and then here we could able to see a very strong buying pressure, and then this stock will move into the new higher zones. We could able to see that this stock is going to be consolidate a little bit more from tomorrow onwards, and then we'll see a potential breakout which is going to be exactly happening, and then we could able to gain more in profits by entering exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price. The best entry into this company is going to be exactly over here, which is in between 19.65 rupees into 20 rupees. Currently the stock is exactly trading at 20.60 rupees, and the best entry is in between 19.60 to 20 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 23 rupees, and the target 2 is going to be 30 rupees, and the target 3 is going to be 32 rupees. These are the lines whichever you are seeing on my screen are the very strong resistance line. So whenever we see a stock which has given a huge tremendous breakout from any of the technical pattern, we need to be very cautious and we need to know what kind of pattern which is forming at the strong resistance level, and we could able to decide whether we need to hold the stock and we need to book the profits. If you are a long-term investor, I would request you to please don't keep this stock for a long term, because this company's fundamentals are not really good. This company has a very good book value as well as a face value, but when it comes into the generation of revenues on a quarterly basis as well as an annual basis, this company's profits are not really good when we compare it from the past 5 years as well as from the past 8 years. And this company's compound sales growth, compound profit growth, as well as the return on equity and the stock price CAGR is slowly decreasing on a quarter by quarter basis as well as on year by year basis. But this company has a very strong technical pattern which is forming right now, and this pattern has already given a huge breakout, and this stock is going to be consolidate little bit more and then will break into the new higher zones. I want you to keep this stock under your radar. Make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price and gain more in profits from this company. I would request you to please book the profits when you see there is a consolidation or there is a reverse trend which is going to be happen on the target levels. Whatever the stocks which I am recommending on my channel, I am keep on saying that whenever you see a strong selling pressure which is building at the target levels, either in target 1 or target 2. I would request you to please book the profits. If you have any confusion, just send me a comment on any of my latest videos, so I will do again a thorough analysis at the target levels, and I will let you know whether you need to hold the stock or whether you need to book the profits. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to please consider subscribing my channel so that you could able to get the good breakout stocks and gain more in profits from those companies as well. I would request you to please like, comment and share these videos to the other fellow investors so that they would also enter exactly at the very right, the best breakout stocks and gain more in profits within a very short span of time. I would ask you to please watch the videos which are posted on this channel within a month time, so that you could able to find the best breakout stocks and gain more in profits. And there were so many stocks which are ready for the huge breakouts which are happening on week time. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.